I'm Gene Accius, President and CEO at CHC, Creating Healthier Communities. In 2025, from my vantage point, with employers managing a multi-generational workforce, the key focus in 2025 is going to be around quality of jobs. That goes beyond just income or the paycheck. And what I mean by that is the fact that the cornerstone in 2025 is going to be about total well-being. That means that employers who are able to foster an environment that allows employees, their workers, to bring their whole selves to the workplace, that looks at emotional, mental, and physical well-being, will really be at a tremendous advantage. Employers who are able to work side by side with their employees to ensure that they are providing them with the tools, both in the workplace as well as in the community, to live a healthier life, to find meaning and purpose on the job and off the job, will be at a tremendous advantage. Employers who are able to really work with and support the professional growth of their employees and their workers will be at a tremendous advantage. So for me, I think in 2025, what we will see is a greater focus around job quality that goes beyond just the foundational income that is needed to survive. What's going to be the focus for many employees is going to be around the total well-being and the purpose and the value that each employee receives from how they spend their time in the workplace. Dignity is one critical aspect that is linked to purpose, that is also linked to the quality of jobs, that is going to be critically important in 2025. In the absence of an environment that fosters dignity, that fosters psychological safety, and in the absence of an environment that lacks a very inclusive way of ensuring that each employee, each colleague within the organization is contributing to the mission in a very intentional way. In the absence of engaging your workforce to help drive not just the mission of the organization, but the social impact that the company wants to make, we see that it has huge tolls on the mental health of the employees within the organization, and it also has huge tolls within their physical health. From a mental health perspective, we see that oftentimes when employees feel as if they are not being valued, where they feel as if they're not being respected, where they feel as if they're not being seen, we see greater increases in terms of anxiety, greater increases in terms of stress and burnout, and a greater likelihood of depression. So employers have an opportunity to really help to support the totality of their workforce. When we think about the health of our communities, we cannot ignore the workplace because it plays such a vital and central role in the people's lives. A healthier workforce is a cornerstone to a healthier community. If people are supported in their jobs, if they have the flexibility, if they have the opportunity to grow, if they have the opportunity to align their purpose to the mission of an organization, we know that we will see that ripple effect in terms of communities across this country being healthier and a more vibrant and more inclusive society.